leaders should communicate to our state BJP. That has to come from the whatever it has communicate with the honorable chief minister. It might be there. I don't know because I was not there. So if anything which is not happy, even the central leader not happy, he also should discuss with all. Also, I'm also the leader of the BJP parliamentary party. We have to discuss this to say that our party is one and we are strong and we are going to be emerge as the leader of the BJP in the coming election. So I have told all the political party, not only BJP, if you have the proof and evidence to make any allegations or anything which is you're telling that this so and so are corrupt, it has to be proven. That's all only I know. I told you, he is our president, state president of BJP. We are there with him only. We are working under the state president of BJP. Fine, we have no problem. This is a national party. It's a national party. We have to discuss in the party.
But
Only
since the
the
Chief
party
Minister has claimed that
That you have discussed with him.
We discussed. I have not denied that he have not discussed with me.
So
He has
since-
discussed with me.
Since you are saying it is
But not a decision. To oust the state president is not the decision of the people from the outside. It is the internal matter of the BJP party only to decide on the BJP family decisions. Honorable CM told me we discuss. I am not denying that we have not discussed. This discussion means we have to discuss. Something, anybody doing anything also from the MLA or any ministers from the other political party. Say for example, NPP, UDP, PDF or HSPDP, we discuss. There is nothing wrong to discuss because we are the part and a parcel of the MDA government.
So by
Not
that-
to take decision about our party matters is the only BJP can take decision, not the people from outside.